Hey everybody, we are here in Pikes Peak, Iowa. Let's check it out. It's right at the beginning, right at the parking lot. We got this amazing overlook. Overlooking the Mississippi River, which is well over its banks. Alright, we got like a 2.5 mile trail to hike. It is about 37 degrees. This is awesome already. We just started. We're about to go down a whole bunch of steps down this ravine a little bit to a creek. Let's go check that out. The crow's nest. Alright, so just came down those stairs down there. And check out this ravine here. Wow. Nice little trickle, little waterfall here. Alright, here's the top of the falls. Up above, the bridge goes over. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the Mississippi right there. So now we were down in the valley and we saw the Bridal Veil Falls. And now we climbed back up. We're walking along the ridge. It's called Hickory Ridge. And it's starting to get a little later. So we're gonna start to see some sunset. The top of the ridge here is really opened up into these wide open oak groves. Here's one. I saw a sign that said, "Out of respect, do not walk on the mounds." I think that's what they were referring to, this mound here. So I've reached the end of the ridge, Hickory Ridge. And this was the best overlook I could find. Pretty awesome. Not quite any sunset action. Cool fact, this place is called Pike's Peak. A lot of people are more familiar with Pike's Peak, Colorado, which was founded by the same person that founded this place, Zublion Pike. He discovered this place in 1805. He was a paid government explorer, and yeah, he named it Pike's Peak. And it was established a state park in 1935 in the state of Iowa. This is kind of cool. I've never seen this before. The double-decker viewing platform. So here we are on the lower deck. I don't know if you can hear the echo, but I can. That was a pretty great hike. It was a little shorter. It ended sooner than I anticipated. But yeah, this was a great view. That waterfall was amazing. The Oak Grove and the Indian Mounds were awesome. Don't forget to subscribe so you can check me out next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.